Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. Once again I am back with another new reaction video and again I am watching Natil and पूरा नाम आया का नहीं हो रहा. Okay, their vlog and the title is Orangutan Jungle Trek in Sumatra Bukit Lawang Go, Nasi Goreng Leeches to being Indonesian travel vlog. Okay, I hope I read correct. And now I will try to speak Indonesian. So थोड़ा नर्वस हो जाते जब बात इंडोनेशियन बोलने की आती है बट ओके आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग एंड सेमुआ मेमोरी साया कोमेंटर यंग संगत बकुस तेरी मकसिया सेमुयाना राइट यस सेमुनिया सेमुनिया थैंक यू सो मच जितने भी लोग मुझको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो प्यारे पे कमेंट करते हैं थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऐसे ही आप लोग अपना प्यार शो करते रहिए कमेंट लाइक कीजिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बेल को प्रेस करें ताकि सारे न्यू अपडेट्स आप लोगों को मिलते रहें वीडियो के नीचे प्यारा सा अच्छा सा कमेंट करके जाना चाहिए ओके सो विदाउट स्टार्ट
One of the top things we wanted to do during our 2 months in Indonesia was to see wild orangutans. Orangutans are critically endangered. They're now only found on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. So we flew from Jakarta to Medan, then took the bus to Bukit Lawang to begin our 2-day Sumatran jungle adventure. We spent hours trekking through the humid jungle where we slept in a tent and had an amazing time tubing down the river.
Wow!
Never think I'd be
Wow, you bought a chair?
Sumatran jungle. All with the hope of seeing these fascinating animals in the wild. Come with us on this trip of a lifetime.
Lawang, see the monkey, see the bird. Everybody run. The Mina.
Mina's the bad orangutan.
Yeah.
So we just had a huge
Huge
breakfast with our
breakfast,
group.
yes.
Luckily, we were able to buy long socks because ours were not this long. But he's telling us like there's so many leeches. So we have to tuck our pants into these to avoid the leeches. We rented as well more backpacks. So we'll take that with us and leave all our stuff here. Time to go. Yeah, we're walking straight from the hotel. 7 of us and 3 guides. These look so nice though. There's cafe parts along the water, along the edge. So nice.
Wow, it is looking amazing.
So it's 7 to 8 hour hike. But when we come back tomorrow, we're going to be tubing down the river. That's the exciting part.
Yeah,
it's relaxing because we don't have to hike one. Hopefully. New monkeys. There are so many.
They're like welcome to Bukit Lawang.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why they're all coming.
Ooh. The monkeys are climbing the whole way across the bridge now. Is it the best way to start our hike?
Yeah, that's cool. We have never seen
Yeah. He was just explaining all about the monkeys. And he said those ones are called Thomas leaf monkeys. They only live here in Sumatra. And the leaf in the name is because they eat 50% of their diet is jungle leaves.
Welcome to. Yahoo! This is the door to the jungle.
We're still at the front of the jungle, even though I'm so sweaty. And he showed us an old orangutan nest. But he said apparently orangutans move around like every day, so they don't stay there long. I'm getting so many fun facts. Our guide just got a phone call that another guide sees an orangutan. So we're gonna go try and see them. That would be amazing. It's like the first hour still. Where are the orangutans? Interesting. This is all you wanted ever.
Oh, it's kidding. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं देख के कहीं यहाँ पे स्नैक वगैरह ना हो थोड़ा Oh, I see. Somehow the same. Monkey.
There's an orangutan. Oh, he's separate from. You see it? The baby. That's his head hanging down. Oh my god, so cute. So not just one, but two orangutans. The first hour, and we've seen a mom and a baby. It was amazing.
When we got here, he was closer. And
Yeah, he moved a little farther.
we got here 5 minutes early. We could see it. We just saw it here.
But if we've seen two in the first hour, I'm sure we'll see a lot in 2 days. The guide said too, they can live to be over 60 years old, some have 70.
I mean, this is pretty late. There's like 50 or 60.
It's crazy. A sleeper monkey. You can call all the monkeys.
मोंकी से कितने लोगों को डर लगता है मेरे को कमेंट में बताना. मुझे लगता होगा डर या नहीं लगता होगा, ये लोग आप लोग गैस करके बताना. फिर मैं जो है ना अपना कमेंट पिन करूँगी लगता है या नहीं लगता, और इसका मैं इंग्लिश सब करके लिखूँगी ताकि आप लोग समझ जाएं.
Old orangutan nest.
The small, when the small nest, the small orangutan. When with the mama baby, the more bigger than this one. Like, like the Sumatra tiger, the last sound.
Yeah, he told us so much about orangutans. So orang as well means people. So they're like people of the forest, orangutan. And they're solitary. The babies only stay with the moms until 6 or 8 years old. So, and the male and female aren't together like a week or whatever. And then, yeah, then just the mom and the baby 6 to 8 years. And then they're solitary again. It's not much of a path here, eh? Yeah. Oh, the entrance to the park. So cool.
One by one.
The orangutan we saw before wasn't even in the national park because we just entered the national park now. Their hair is so cool. There's a bunch, I think. Oh, is that pee? Is it peeing on? Oh my god, we're getting peed on. Aww. Hello. I just got peed on by a monkey. You can smell the pee. Do you smell pee?
Yeah.
Yeah, you peed on your head. Yeah. We're not even in the national park for 10 minutes and we get peed on. This is trying to wash the pee off his head.
He's coming again.
Yeah,
Okay.
better?
Hey!
Oi.
He's getting angry.
Yeah, he's mad you got your pee off. He's a chameleon. I want to see it change colors.
Territory.
It's definitely harder to trek in a jungle with a huge backpack on. I keep hitting all the trees. I don't think we said in our backpacks we have like sleeping bags and everything that we need for tonight. The towels, sleeping bags, clothes, tons of water. But they have food for us.
अभी किसी ने कमेंट किया है, बताया है इंडोनेशिया में क्रोकोडाइल्स बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो हमने कमेंट देखा उनका. ओके, मुझे तो पता नहीं था वहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं.
You feel adventurous yet? Oh, you're holding it for me? Thanks. We've been in a little over 2 hours, and I don't think I've ever been this sweaty in my life. Just everything. Luckily at the campsite, there's a river, though. So when we get there, we can jump in the river and be not sweaty and not covered in monkey pee.
Crazy, there's like not even a path here though. We're just following the guide. Luckily, he lives here his whole life, so he knows everything. Alright, break time. We're going to go see some birds. And then we're back here for fruit time, like these ones. A fruit buffet. I didn't think the peacock was a real peacock.
Oh wow! Wow! ये तो हम लाइक पहली बार देख रहे हैं ऐसा कोई एनिमल.
The guide said too that
कोई bird है,
has
right?
its feathers like a peacock that we imagine, but it's not like the colors that we're used to. It's more like the colors that you saw, like brown,
Peacocks?
red, white. But yeah, it's still crazy that there's peacocks
Peacock?
in the Sumatra jungle.
Peacock कैसा? हमने तो peacock blue कलर वाला देखा है, black तो first time देख रहे हैं. Yes.
What? So cool. It's so big. Yeah. It's the. He said if there's a female around, it'll open
Oh,
up and let
female.
eggs for the female. But there's no female. So
Okay.
still so cool.
Pushing for us.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh wow.
So cute. Jungle buffet. You're
So
hungry,
we
Carlos?
have like the watermelon,
Bananas,
banana,
passion fruits.
passion fruit,
Okay.
mandarin, and this like a
Dragon.
Dragon fruit. Okay.
I want them out.
It's so juicy though.
Did you try the dragon fruit?
Which one?
Dragon fruit.
No, I want to though. Extra good. The dragon fruit in the Sumatra jungles. You have to take all the fruits. So the monkeys don't come.
Yeah.
No feeding
why
monkeys
we-
allowed.
You know why we bring some the banana leaf? One, we less bring plastic coming here, and then we give income for the farmer. Yeah, because we buy so our company.
Nice.
That's why we not allowed the throw like the skin. This we not allowed. Yeah, monkey happy when we showing here, but later they can be aggressive. The lazy they find food by own later.
Break time over.
Let's go again.
He said now we're gonna go.
It was pretty steep already.
I thought it was already like that. And he said no, before it was like this. Now we're gonna go. What do you see? Turtle? What? A jungle turtle? That's so funny. I did not know there were turtles in the Sumatran jungle. The tree on the left killed the one on the right.
The growing from the top going to the bottom here.
He said those parasite trees are bad for the tree because it'll kill the big tree. But he said they're really good for the animals because they have lots of little fruit on them that the animals can eat. And they also have lots of water inside. Like the orangutans can drink. So it's bad for the tree, but it's not bad.
Lemon end.
Oh my god.
End or the top end. That's the flapping end.
They want to bite you.
Yeah, they won't bite me.
So he won't.
And
Yeah, almost bite me.
Oh, it smells really strong. Doesn't it smell really strong?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, he picked up the huge ant, the lemon ant. And he said there's like juice on the bottom of it. If you get the juice, it just opens your whole nose.
Oh, it's really strong.
Yeah. He said if you're sick or something and you can touch one of those. He's trying to get us a path to see an orangutan. Our guides are just crawling around on the tree. But the orangutan is right behind them. Right behind him. Can you see it?
ऑरेंज मंकी, ये ऑरेंज नहीं है, कुछ ब्राउन है, कभी कभी ऑरेंज लग रहा है। ओह मम्मी, टू बिग। ओह मम, माय गॉड। Oh. ऐसे देख रहा है, हमें तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि अटैक न कर दे। नो,
Are
are you amazed? Yeah.
Yeah. This is exactly what you wanted, eh?
I want to feel so cool.
Yeah, right? Same. She's just chilling there, like hanging out, looking at all of us. It's so cool. We're so close. So much closer than I thought we would be. It's amazing.
It's great.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That was amazing. It was so much closer than like I ever thought we would get to them. And they said come up here. I don't know if there's more. It's so crazy. It's been like 4 hours. Amazing.
Yeah, he has been here for 20 minutes.
Oh my god. Do we have to be scared? She's like right there.
ये ना हमें मंकी नहीं लग रहा है, ये लाइक कुछ ऐसे लग रहा है गौरिला टाइप हो, छोटा गौरिला, बेबी नहीं, मतलब बेबी तो नहीं है, बड़ी है काफी, मतलब गौरिला लग रहा है ये, पता नहीं क्यों, राइट।
Anyway, we left the orangutan now. Time to go eat. I'm hungry. You're hungry, Carlos? So hungry. And it'll be so nice to take this backpack off for a while. Nobody fall. Oi, oi, oi. Is that where the tigers are? Down below? We were so high.
I'm tired.
There's just cliffs on both sides. It's so cool. Lunchtime.
Oh, feeling hungry now, it's lunch time.
Where do we sit? Nasi goreng?
Yeah, nasi goreng. This is the nasi goreng
I like that one.
with the banana leaf, yeah.
Nice.
Uh,
Oh, an egg too.
Looks amazing.
Nice, right? Amazing. Try it.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Try it, try it.
Oh,
There's
bugs
so
around,
many
okay.
bugs around you though.
enjoy lunch, huh?
How is it?
It's so good, but
He wants your ear. I want food.
they're monkeys.
You want chili sauce? Sambal?
I'm okay. No.
You?
Maybe a little.
No.
There's very little spicy.
Yeah, just
It's very spicy?
no,
No?
not spicy.
Little.
Yeah.
No,
I cook in the bag, my bag. Yeah, I cook like
Cooking right.
you are the chef?
Alright, we have spicy sauce. Let's try the spicy. How
Be
spicy.
careful when they say no spicy.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared because here's spicy so far has been very spicy.
Oh my god.
It's not too spicy. It's actually really good.
No.
You like the spicy? Yeah, a little spicy, but like good. Yeah. Tonight. And more spicy.
If you want more spicy, this one. This
That one's spicy, yeah. Best Nasi Goreng ever. Pineapple time. And we
Pineapple
are
time.
an hour
Okay,
from
it's
camp.
pineapple time.
And Carlos is excited.
यस, ये मंकी है, ये मंकी है, और हम जिसको मंकी बोलते थे वो एक्चुअली मंकी था, गॉरिल लाइक चिंपैंजी, राइट, वो वाला कैटेगरी था. एंड दिस इज मंकी.
We're going down now, yeah, so steep. Look, everyone's straight down. I cannot tape this because you can see I'm gonna fall. Is it fresco?
So good.
So fresh? I need some.
Yeah. Better?
I still feel dirty, but another orangutan
ओरेंगुटन.
in here where it's made.
पता नहीं ये शायद कोई दूसरा ब्रीड है जो हमें नहीं पता है, बट कुछ कुछ लाइक ऐसी लग रहा है.
So cool. He looks angry. Oh! Thing. Seriously, we could just watch them for like so long. They're just swinging and climbing around.
Climbing around.
Yeah, I mean, we're just here in the river and
Yeah,
sitting down just to see hey.
across the Rio. So steep.
और ये जो अभी लाइक सुमत्रा है, ये जो काटता से 2 घंटा मतलब थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस पर ये जो जंगल एरिया है फॉरेस्ट टाइप का, ये अभी कुछ कुछ देख के हमें ऐसा लग रहा है लाइक जैसे कि हमारा मोस्ट फेवरेट शो हुआ करता है, था, है भी. ओके, मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड, बेयर ग्रिल जिस तरीके से जाते थे जंगल में, फॉरेस्ट में, एंड ट्वेल्व सर्वाइवर एंड मैन वुमेन वाइल्ड, बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा होगा ये वाला शो. तो ये एरिया कुछ कुछ वैसे ही लग रहा है हमें देखकर, ऐसी फील आ रहा है जैसे हम डिस्कवरी चैनल देख रहे हैं.
So high. It's insane. Definitely a workout. One by
वन बाय वन. ओके, डाउन द रोप. ओके ओके, क्योंकि काफ़ी स्लिपी है तो रोप के थ्रू ही जाना चाहिए, होल्ड करके.
Don't fall.
ओह, काफ़ी डेंजरस लग रहा है ये हमें, क्योंकि स्लिपी होगा. ओह, ओके. Yeah.
What happened?
It was nicer. People don't want you way down.
Carlos decided to just sit down there.
Yeah, it just needed 30 seconds to rest actually.
We made it down. I think we're at the river.
Yeah.
How was it?
Rough.
I'm so sweaty. Yeah, going down was a lot harder than we expected. And hopefully you will never see us this sweaty ever again.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No, because tomorrow we're going to be in the river.
I'm not gonna fly tomorrow.
I don't know. We'll see how our legs feel. I think my legs are going to be so sore in the morning. Oh, here's the river. There's people already in the water. It looks fake. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh, maybe that's what we're sleeping under. I cannot wait to get in the water. I cannot wait. Oh my God. Oh, we found our rooms. Oh, yeah.
We're one of these two?
And this is for double, yeah?
Double? Okay. Here? This is us?
Welcome to the 5-star hotel, yeah?
Yeah, really. With the river right here, though, it's amazing. We just jumped in the river to clean off. That's our shower. Where's Carlos? Here he is. Yeah, that was our shower. The river, there's no shower. But yeah, we're gonna camp here. The river is so nice. It's cold, but it looks so nice. And I think they're starting to cook us dinner now. So yeah, we're just gonna chill for the night by the river here.
Wow, beautiful river.
Oh, we're gonna wake up to this water. There's a fire. We're all chilling here. They have coffee, tea, cookies. It's cute.
Yeah, dinner time.
The yellow one we call is a pumpkin curry with a fresh
Pumpkin
coconut.
curry.
So this one,
Potato
like a
sweet.
potato.
Wow.
This is a sweet potato. We make a little bit chili.
ये ना
but it's not
इंडियन फूड
spicy
जैसा लग रहा है.
because the tourists don't like it. So this one, the fried soya bean. Bon appetit.
Thank you very much.
It's like 9:30 p.m. and we're going to sleep already. We ate and then we hung out for a while. Our guide was telling us all these crazy stories. So much hiking today, we're exhausted. Good night. Good morning.
Cucumber omelette, okay?
Lots of cheese. Tomato cucumber omelet. Yeah, nice. We just had an amazing breakfast. Now we need to get ready I'm falling, for another 2 to 3 hour hike. But all our clothes are so wet still. So we have them out here drying. I don't think they're very dry. Hike day 2. Starting now. With our wet pants. This river
Yes,
is amazing.
it's really amazing river.
Amazing.
एक्चुअली ये रिवर ही नहीं, ये जो भी है एरिया, ये लाइक है तो वाइल्ड फॉरेस्ट, बट पता नहीं क्यों फिर बहुत अच्छा सा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई घूमने की ऐसी खूब अच्छी सी जगह, यहाँ पे आप पिकनिक वगैरह करेंगे, रिवर है और कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं लाइक ओरेंगुटन, पता नहीं हम सही रीड कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं, लाइक जो भी चिंपांजी टाइप वगैरह, और अच्छा लग रहा है दिखने में, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा फील आ रहा है जैसे बेयर ग्रिल वाला फील आ रहा है मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड का.
And we only have one backpack for 2 of us because we only need water for 3 hours. No sleeping bags, no extra clothes. So Carlos has it now and then I'll take it later. I'm sure it'll be a lot easier than yesterday's 8 hours with backpacks. 1 hour up the hill. Maybe it won't be easy. 3 hours, but 1 hour going up. You weren't expecting this, were you? We said it'll be easy today, and now it's an hour. Leech.
Welcome to the jungle.
Okay, I'm gonna put my shirt.
Yes, yeah, the size.
That's why you tuck in your shirt, people. How did it feel when you pulled it off?
That's not bad.
Is it bleeding?
No, a little.
Oh, you can't even see.
yeah.
We barely got you.
No,
Okay.
yesterday was worse. Like,
Yeah, yesterday was bleeding for like a long time. So that's why our guide said pants tucked into long socks, shirts tucked into pants. Curly's shirt came undone for I don't know how long and he got a leech. But other people are in shorts, which is crazy. I don't know how they don't have leeches all over their legs. This is literally rock climbing now. Yeah, me too. I'm paranoid of leeches. We made it to the top. I am so sweaty. I got the machete out. He said he hasn't used this path for a while, so it's all overgrown. And he's just cutting everything down for us. He just ate this. I don't know. I asked him, he cut off a piece. He's gonna show us.
This is medicine.
ओके मेडिसिन. ओके, ये जो अभी जिस इंसेक्ट ने कट कर लिया था वहाँ पर लगाने के लिए मेडिसिन है. Okay.
Everything.
Everything. What is it
Everything.
called?
Kinin.
Kunen.
Kenan?
Oh,
Yeah.
kunen. Okay,
Right.
it's kunen.
We just chew it?
Yeah, just do it. Yeah, more longer, more better.
Chew in a tree.
Maybe just a tree,
How does it taste?
like a tree. Yeah.
It doesn't taste very
Tastes
good.
like paracetamol.
It tastes like you're chewing a pill.
If I am not wrong, तो ये वही कुनैन ट्री है जो मलेरिया के लिए, मलेरिया फीवर जिसमें मॉस्किटो कट करता है, उसके लिए इसी में से मेडिसिन बनाया जाता है, राइट? यस, आई थिंक आई एम राइट.
Tastes so rad.
It is like a kinin fish, yeah?
I don't want any more tree. We just saw some rare black monkey, so we're running up to try and be able to see it. We can see it, I think. They're laying down. See?
Oh, wow. Oh. No, long
was it?
jump है.
Lucky one.
Black gibbon.
A black gibbon?
Yeah, black gibbon or siamang.
They're so fast. I did not expect it to be that hard today to hike up here. Like, we are so sweaty. But these views are amazing. Like, so much better than I ever thought we'd be able to see in the jungle. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's so
Hey,
cool.
look at that.
Oh, so
The black gibbon, yeah. And I don't know.
He's running away now.
Such a hard hike, but so worth it.
I can't wait for the river now.
Yeah, and our guide too, he said not a lot, like today's hike is optional. He said not a lot of groups do today's hike. Like we're the first, I guess, in months, but like this is amazing. And we chilled at the viewpoint for a while, just hanging out, drinking water, getting not sweaty, and now time to go back. Maybe like an hour back, maybe. I don't know. I think there's rock climbing. I remember this view. We made it! How excited are you?
I'm so excited to just go to the river and get clean.
Yeah, I think we have accomplished our hiking for the rest of Indonesia. Just kidding, we still have to hike like a volcano or something, don't we? There's a lot of volcanoes.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be in the jungle.
Yeah, our last jungle hiking for a while. But it was so amazing. The orangutans, like, I can't believe we saw wild orangutans.
That was amazing, yeah.
So amazing.
They were so close.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we have had a great time. And now we get to go back to the hotel the fun way.
That was the fun part.
Yeah. Tipsy tubing Indonesian style,
No
which
beer,
means
though.
no tipsy, only tubing. So are the bags tubing down the river with us? Yeah? It's so scary.
I'm gonna wet.
Yeah. The life jacket's on and we're, oh God, there goes our tube. It's terrifying. And all their stuff is here just in trash bags by the river.
Leg.
Wow,
Yeah.
Yeah, Marty?
it is amazing.
Ah.
Yay. And my shoes? Thank you. Are you ready? Wish us luck. This is how you leave the Sumatran jungle.
That's the best way.
At least they're going first so we can watch them.
Oh my god, my butt is so cold.
I know, the water's so cold. Oh my god. Oh, these guys just got here. Goodbye. Camping. I don't know, they're crashing already up there. It was so much more violent than I expected. First rapid's done.
Yeah.
Only
Still alive.
29 minutes left.
हाँ यार बहुत अच्छा है, looking so
we're gonna crash.
Slightly
It's
scary, but
scary,
so fun.
yes.
That time, eh? Never did I ever think I'd be rafting through the Sumatran jungle.
Yeah, rafting in the jungle.
So cool. So cool. Oh, a big rock here.
Oh, big rock here. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
There's more parts?
I didn't
Oh
think
my God.
there's a small part. You made it.
It's so comfy though, and so stable. Actually.
We have free music.
Yeah.
Monkey, see the bird,
See the orangutan. I know this.
jungle track in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see the orangutan.
Oh. Too much is scary.
It's so bueno.
You guys chilling here? Oh my.
Oh my God.
I
You
got
get
you hard.
Huh?
It got me, so I know I got you a lot.
Oh my God,
From
yeah.
that side.
It was not very, very wet, but now it's so.
This is us. There's a monkey on that hill. Our ride's over.
It was so cool.
It was so
One of the
fun.
best history.
This is really cool.
Yeah. Tubing through the Sumatran jungle.
Okay, it's called
Alright, we decided
tubbing. Okay.
to stay here another night because we loved our group so much and our tour guides were amazing and this hotel's amazing.
And also we have the bus with them.
Yeah.
So,
So we're gonna stay here one more night and then in the morning we're gonna take the tourist bus at 8 a.m. to Bergastagi. Yeah. Look, here's our room. We're upstairs now. So cute. We got the cheapest option since we're on a budget. But it's so nice. We have a little table. And here, the bathroom, it's the same as the other one. It's huge and amazing, and I cannot wait to shower because I feel so dirty. We're having our like post-shower meeting right now. We have to pay for the room tonight and stuff. And one of the girls from our group said that a half hour ago, when I was in the shower, they saw orangutans right here. Right here. They said 2 orangutans came. It's so cool. So you can just stay here and maybe see them.
Behind there.
Behind here? Maybe go on the other side. I see the whole tree moving. It should be right there. Yeah, I saw a tiny bit. That's amazing.
One here, one there.
There's 2 of them. 2 sleeper monkeys, a sleeper monkey baby,
Monkey baby.
an orangutan. Literally everything's just right here.
everything's moving.
It's crazy, yeah. Whenever it moves, it's just like there's something there. I don't know. It's so difficult too to find it and then re-find it on the camera. Like, this is cute. Video the last breakfast. Fruit,
Coffee.
coffee,
Omelette. Toast.
tea. We got omelets with toast. Toast and juice and a view.
Yes, and the beautiful view.
Jungle track in Bukit.
आइए फ्रेंड्स, फाइनली हम लोगों ने ये वाला व्लॉग देख लिया. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अमेजिंग था. रियली हमने बहुत एंजॉय करा. इतना प्यारा व्यू था, इतना अमेजिंग. मेरा मन करने लगा यहाँ पे जाने का, ऐसे घूमने का. बहुत अच्छा था रियली. आई होप आपको भी अच्छा लगा. सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.